If we have more terms in our polynomial, that just means that we need a bigger box. Notice that the first one has 3 terms, second one has 3 terms, so I have a 3 by 3 box here, and I'll go ahead and write all of my terms along the left-hand side and along the top. Now I'm going to start multiplying and putting our answers in boxes. So a 3, x to the 4th and an x squared, 4 plus 2 is 6, so 3x to the 6th, a minus 6, x to the 5th, and a minus x to the 4th for my first row. Negative 10 times 3 is a negative 30, and it's an x to the 4th. Negative 6 and negative 10 is a positive 60, x to the 3rd, and then a negative 10x squared times negative 1 is going to give me a positive 10x squared. Finally, our last row, 75x squared. 25 times negative 6 is negative 150x. Barely left myself room to write all that. And finally, a negative 25. Now I'm going to go ahead and write all 9 terms out just so that I can see them easily and circle like terms more readily. So I'm just going through and writing all of these. I'm probably going to run out of room and have to go to the next row to finish writing all of these terms. Yep, so plus 75x squared minus 150x and minus 25. All right, if I take a look, I only have a single x to the 6th, a single x to the 5th. I'm not even going to bother with circling those. I'll just bring them down here in a minute. I do have a couple of x to the 4th terms, and I have a couple of x to the 2nd terms, or x squared terms. So those are the only things that I'm going to end up being able to combine. Everything else is just going to come along for the ride and get written as part of our final answer. So this final answer is going to be a big one. 3x to the 6th minus 6x to the 5th. Combine for a negative 31x to the 4th, a positive 60x to the 3rd comes down, and then we have a positive 85x squared, minus 150x, and minus 25. And that is our final answer. Kind of ugly, but that's it.